kids, so today we're gonna go to the zoo. Come on, let's go. Look, you guys, we're here. Flamingos are born in gray color and don't get pink until they're 2 or 3. Come on. Let's see the merry-go-round. This is the merry-go-round. Come on. See the alligator. The great big alligator. Wait. Under. Oh. There's Mikey's snake. Oh, it's all the way at the end. This alligator is born with white skin. He's not an albino. You can tell because he did not have red eyes. Saw the alligator's head. Mommy! Oh, that's big as my hands. Those claws are big.
Yes, look at him.
Look at the nose. Look at those teeth. This is a water plant. Let's take it. Watch. Even though bears are big and heavy, they're still really fast. They're also good at swimming and climbing. Bears can grow up to 10 feet tall. Look at an otter exhibit. I see one! I love otters because they're so cute. Otters can swim underwater for 8 minutes. They are webbed so they can swim really fast. Welcome to Gator Alley. Whoa. See it? Yeah, way over there is 2. Yeah. I see it. Alligators are large reptiles. They live in a swamp. Everyone, this is called the Florida panther. Oh, it's coming.
It's coming? Okay, I'm super excited. Wow.
Whoa. I saw him.
That was big. He was. Florida panthers are also called mountain lions.
Parrots are one of the smartest birds in the world. Parrots like to live in warm places. Some parrots can talk. Oh, look at that one. Parrots can live up to 60 years. That is cool as a snake. Crocodile. Oh, a button snake. This is an eagle's nest. Here you can see the jaguar. The panthers. Jaguars are the third largest cat in the whole world. Fur is tan and orange with black spots. Everyone, these are called squirrel monkeys. These are the monkeys. I see one. Oh, there's one. They're climbing up. There's one on the top. Squirrel monkeys are really clever. They're omnivores. That means they eat both meat and plants. Now he's having fun up there.
That's a
Having fun. Oh look, now he's having fun up there. Look at his enormous tree. Come on. Look at that iguana. Look at the iguana. Look at the bridge. Going over everything. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beautiful swan. There's 2 anteaters. Anteaters eat ants and termites. They have long, sharp claws and sticky tongues. We are about to enter the Cave of Wonders. Come on. Everyone, these are like swimming lizards. And the coolest thing about them, when their arm gets chopped off, they can regrow it. There's 2 of them. Kids, welcome to Tiger's Falls.
LiAM.
Tigers are the biggest cats in the whole world. Every tiger has its own stripes. Tigers are most endangered for the big cats. It's a tiger. He's laying down all the way over there. Tigers are sleeping. Tigers are fierce predators. Their jaws can kill with a single bite. This is a real skeleton. Tigers live in rainforests, grasslands, and savannas, even swamps.
Whoa.
Not a real tiger. Thanks for coming with me to the zoo. Did you have fun? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.